strategy is to make sure that you make the customer trust that your solution has gone through all the best practices and recommended guidelines as what SAP is offered. And that's exactly what we give through the software certification program. So we certify your integration and the data flow that between SAP and your product, and we make sure we give you enough visibility so that you are quite successful within our customer ecosystem. And of all three services, we also see a need from partners for the test systems. Sometimes partner have access to the landscapes, and few partners do not have access to SAP landscapes. In such a way, we have a service called remote access and connectivity service, which is kind of provisioning the ready-made systems for customers, for the partners to test and develop their solution. And finally, we also see partners just don't develop solutions. They also, at some point in time, end up in operating the SAP applications for customers, be it in the private cloud or also in the public cloud, or sometimes in the hyperscalers, including Amazon, Google, or the Microsoft. They help customers, SAP customers, to also host their applications, including the partner applications. So in that perspective, we also have certification program for partners who provide outsourcing services, especially the application operations and hosting services and facilitating infrastructure. And last service, what we also have is the hardware or the IAS certification. We also certify all the hyperscalers who provide hardware and who install SAP software to run and to provide it to customers. So in a nutshell, if you actually see, we have majority of the programs ending up in the certification and in making it way for our partners to transact and making them a clear differentiator in the SAP store. Yeah. So in a short summary, what we do, we provide expert guidance. We have all skills and experts in-house to support partners in terms of developing the solution right from idea and make it a viable or sellable solution in the SAP store. We also make sure that the quality and compliance is given highly importance. So we clearly check each and every software integration to SAP on the data flow and make sure every partner has followed the best practices and recommended guidelines. And not just that, we also make sure partner gets enough go-to-market visibility through our certificates and logos so that they are quite successful in the market. Yeah. So now we will go through two key important services that is very useful for partners or who are the participants of today's event. So we are also proud organization that we are one of the very few organizations that sustained growth for more than 25 years within SAP. So in our 25 years of experience with partners, majority of partner questions are all around, how do I get visibility for my product? Or is there a way that I can drive new revenue opportunities? Does my innovation idea fit into SAP roadmap? Or can somebody guide us in the architecture to realize this? Or do we get enough build support outside to whatever the expertise that we have? And also, is it really technically feasible, or can I get everything in one umbrella? Like most big organization, SAP is also a very, very big organization with multiple teams coming together to make sure that partners are successful. So what we do through this program, when we come across such questions, we came up with this Co-Innovated with SAP program. We kind of stitched all the requirements from partners into one requirement, taking it one lead, partner-facing lead team to kind of reaching out to multiple organizations internally to make really the partners or the clear winners. So now let's go in detail to see what is this Co-Innovated with SAP program. Like I said, most of you today have prototypes, and few partners have still at the idea stage, and few partners have already the solution in the market, but they're still not moved into the cloud platform or the business technology platform, are still not embracing the SAP technology. So in those cases, what we do is we engage with you as early as an idea or at a use case level. We take your idea and we reach out to a product development team to see the roadmap fitment of your product, within SAP strategy. So it does not mean that if it's not fitting to our roadmap, we reject your solution, but we clearly give you a path to closely align with us and be as strategically aligned with us and be successful. Yeah. So the advantage of this use case review is sometimes when the first core important thing is you align with our global product development team at the beginning of the development phase. So the scope can be either expanded or minimized or even tweeted to better serve our customers. Even in today's feedback from our experts, you already got certain relevant feedbacks of adhering to the advanced technologies, including RPA or artificial intelligence and so on. Similarly, such feedback you get from our product development team. So once the use case is approved, we have our own dedicated consultants to support you. So we again look at the architecture and see if we can further enhance or improve the architecture to better meet our customers' need. And then we just don't stop there. We also read or analyze the current support system that you have to realize the actual idea into a product. In case, in terms of SAP's expertise, we also read if there is a need to dedicate certain enablement sessions or coaching in terms of SAP technology. We do that, and we are there till the completion of the product from the idea. Yeah. So what do I mean by that is the IP is still with the partners. As part of all our partner programs, we don't own IP except that we support, because we cannot own IP. We can help you, guide you, and make sure that you code your product and there are no roadblocks that is stopping you to complete the product. So we are there in the entire build phase. And post that, we also do the assessment against product standards. That includes end user testing, functional testing of the product to really make sure that the product is as equal as the SAP product and customers are always happy. So once the product is completely developed, it is tested, we finally also do the testing of the integration to provide you the certificate. And also, in addition to the certificate, you get test report. The test report speaks about the functionalities. So overall, engaging with us gives you an elevated engagement that is a clear differentiation from the rest of the partners. We give you a logo for the technology, whichever the technology that your product is integrated to, we give you a logo for that. And then in addition to that, we also offer you a strong endorsed logo, which is the Co-Innovated with SAP. And the overall engagement doesn't stop there in this Co-Innovated with SAP program. We also take you to help you to get your solutions listed in all our online directories. So one is obviously the SAP Store, which is the online go-to-market tool for SAP, where the entire transactions between customers and partners happen. We also have an additional online directory, which is the certified solution directory. So this is a clear single source of truth for our account executives and also for customers to know how valid is your certificate, to which technology it is integrated to, what does your solution do, and is it really active, your solution is really active, is your partnership active. So partners or customers or our field can get the entire information up there. And finally, we also help you to elevate the visibility what you have. We can also do the press release review along with our go-to-market team. Anyways, I will touch upon all the benefits that you get in the coming slides. But overall, one of the key program from us, which is the Co-Innovated with SAP, which offers an end-to-end program right from idea to product. So the other important program very relevant to our today's session is the certification. The software certification program is an open program. Any partner who have completed the development of the product and if it's ready to integrate with the SAP product, they can very well approach us for the certification, and we certify the integration of partner product with SAP, especially the data flow, the touch points, and we see how the data is transported between SAP and the partner product, and we certify them. And we are one team which successfully completed 25 years within SAP. So we cater to the entire product portfolio of SAP and not confined to any specific technology. So we have scenarios for business technology platform, S/4HANA, ECC, predominantly covering the entire application suite of SAPs, and then moving in depth to SAP database and also the platform. So any partner who have a complete product, they can approach us and get their solution certified and create more trust in the partner or the customer ecosystem. Finally, if as a partner, if you are already have access to the landscape, very well, good. If not, we also have a service called remote access and connectivity, where we rent out systems for our partners to further test and develop the solutions. So overall, the key differentiation, as a partner, you have a solution extending SAP. If it is complete, you may choose the integration certification. If you need support, you may take the build services from us, or in case if you need the entire handholding and would like to play a highly strategic role with SAP, then you can choose the Co-Innovated with SAP. So that in short, now we will go to the benefit section. So you might be already aware of the partnership benefits. As far as you are a partner, an open ecosystem partner, you get all the resources to complete the development. Once the product is transactional, are complete, and if it's ready for transaction, then it is recommended that you become a member of PartnerRich Build program and get your solution listed in the SAP store. Of all these four models or the different levels of engagement or the monetization models that we offer for our partners, SAP store is the base platform. Any partner who has the solution, we recommend them to be on SAP store. And we have clear 4-path ladder defined for our partners, which is validated, spotlight, endorsed apps, and solution extension. Validated and spotlight, we expect the partner solutions are completely gone through the application readiness check or the certification. Based on your key performance or your success within SAP store, you get elevated to the next ladder of spotlight. And the endorsed apps and solution extension are such that it is a key engagement model, wherein if your solution is embracing the cloud technology, and if you are really more successful, we also support you in your growth, which means we also help you with the marketing and also with sales in the endorsed apps. And as in the solution extension, the partner solutions are sold on our price list. So irrespective of whichever program, you will be allocated to one of these 4 buckets, and that's your path to grow along with SAP. So coming to the benefits, as far as you engage with us, you get strong marketing benefits, which is the certificate, you get a logo, you get test report, you get to list in the online directories, and on top of that, we also help you with getting connections with field, and also we also support you in terms of making sure that your press releases are reviewed. And overall, our customer ecosystem is very, very happy about our service to them, because majority of partners, what they feel about our services, they feel it is an important criteria in majority of the tenders that customers are not approving any other solutions outside the certified one. And for a few partners, they really value our technical support or the technical discussions what they have with us during the certification program, and they really feel it is helping us. And for few product or technology, it is mandatory that your product should be certified. And overall, the marketing opportunities, what they get, especially the logos and rest of the things, are really helping our majority of our partner ecosystem to be really successful. So it's just not that you are listed in the SAP store, but how are you different from the rest of the partners, and creating more trust to our customers is what leading you to the successful journey. And we are, as a team, as an organization, helping you in connecting each and every dot to make partners successful. Overall, we have experience at any point in time working with close to 2,000 partners every year. And the list goes on, and here is a success story for a majority of our partners. So there it comes to the end of the session. If irrespective of whichever cycle that you are currently in, you may always approach us, so we can help you. Be it if a solution is complete, we can certify a solution. If you need technical support, you may reach us for the build support services. Or if you're very confident that your solution is really the game changer, engage with us in the Co-Innovated with SAP program. We will help you fit you into the right strategy of SAP. Thank you. So we come to end of the session. Please feel free to drop an email to me in case if you have additional questions. Thanks a lot.
Okay, are there any questions for Venkatesan? I can see a few people trying to come back into the room, so I'm just going to sort that out. I actually can't see where they are.
Yes, yeah, I'm back.
Are you back? I couldn't see where to admit you, Rajamani.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
So it looks like you managed to do it finally.
I'm not sure. I didn't actually do anything. I think Manjanath's trying to get back in as well, so I'm just going to see where.
I got in, Ian.
Oh, you did? Okay, thank you. Cool. So I think the next thing before we announce winners was to have a group photo.
Yes.
Prasanth, is that you that's going to take that photo?
Not me. I think Manjunath.
I think it's Atsushi. Atsushi's taking the photo.
Atsushi must be filing that. So I don't know.
Where is he?
It's okay. I can take it too.
All right.
You have to go through all the pages.
I think switch to gallery mode, right?
Yeah, but there are 2 to 3 pages of photographs will be there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there were more people coming back in.
Ian, you're expected to switch on your video.
Apologies.
Philip, you here? I think you're off.
There you go.
Super.
Okay, so Manjanath, are you going to take the photo? Or,
Yeah, I take the photo.
you happy to do that?
Yeah.
So we need everybody to basically turn on their camera on their machine, right? If they want to be in the camera, in the photo, I assume.
Mm-hmm. So
You have it?
Yep, I do.
Okay. Excellent.
Sorry, well, I still have to do 3 pages, so. Yep, I got it.
Thank you. Thank you, Manjana. Okay, so now we come to, I'm just going to share my screen again. We come to the exciting part of the evening. Everyone can see my screen again?
Yeah, can.
Fantastic. Now, actually, I don't know, are we, before I do that, do I need to reload these slides, Manjanath?
I think so. Just take the latest copy.
Right? So I'm going to stop sharing, reload the slides.
Yeah, you just want to check, make sure that the content is already there.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, it is. Cool.
Okay. Atsushi-san.
Yep. It's all uploaded. Fantastic. Okay. We are good to go. Okay, so you can see my PowerPoint.
Yep.
Okay. Now, Manjanath, do you want to run this? And I'll just...
No, please do. Please
You're
do.
happy for me to do this? Okay,
Yeah.
So thanks everybody one more time for your attendance your focus today, your fantastic ideas and creativity and the work that you've done over the last week. This isn't the end of this journey, as you've just heard. So we really want to help you and support you take these ideas forward and make something real out of them that, you know, is valuable to you and your customers and SAP. So with no further ado, we will go to the first runner-up for APJ. The winner is ISS Consulting. Yeah. A round of applause.
Oh my gosh.
ISS are on the call. Great.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations to ISS.
Oh my God.
You had any feedback from the?
Sorry.
Any feedback from ISS?
Yes. Was there any feedback from ISS?
Okay.
You want to speak? Yeah.
Okay. The first thing we would like to say thank you for the SAP for a great event, especially Manju, Philip, and Associate for suggestion and support us. And Hack to Build is a really fun event, challenging and give us a lot of experience. It's really hard to find the campaign or competition that interesting like this. Me and my team as a partner, we have learned a lot of both knowing more about the SAP product, adapt and develop into the real business scenarios. I would like to give this credit to my team, who dedicated and put a lot of the effort into this prototype. And finally, we got it. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, yes.
Thanks.
Okay. So the next award for winner is PwC, Team PwC. Congratulations.
Yeah, so this is again for the region ANZ, PwC, one for
Yes.
ANZ.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Team PwC is still on the call.
Yes, thank you very much. This is all very exciting and great. And thanks for all the support. And as already been mentioned in this call multiple times, this is just the start of the journey. So looking forward for collaborating together.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And thanks for a fantastic entry. Okay. And the third winner.
This is for Japan?
Is SCSK.
For Japan.
For Japan. Yes. Congratulations for Japan.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
ありがとうございます。
Would you like to give us some feedback or your thoughts?
今回思い切って挑戦させていただきましたが、とてもエンジョイラブルでエキサイティングなとても素晴らしい機会をいただき、本当に感謝しております。はい、本当に嬉しいです。ありがとうございました。
Great. Thank you. Thank you for taking part, and we are glad that you enjoyed it and found it useful. And finally,
For Southeast Asia.
for Southeast Asia, our winner is Netizen. Team Netizen.
Well done, Netizen.
So Team Netizen,
Hi, this is
are you on the call?
incredible. Okay, this is we have a very excited moment and we have great experience enjoying this Hack to Build program. Thank you very much for all your support, and I would like to thank all my team that they spent overnight and really make this happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. Very happy for you. Okay, so we just have a few more minutes to go when we're going to talk a little bit more about next steps, and then we'll close the session for today. So thank you everybody for your great participation. Manjunath, who's going to pick up the final next steps closure?
So I think, I think I could probably just say a couple of words. Thank you all for the participation. As you know, the competition was quite fierce. We didn't expect such good content to come from all of the partners. I think as next steps go, the members from the partner ecosystem team, as well as from the platform and technologies teams, will start reaching out to you one by one to understand what your future plans are for the solutions that you've proposed. And we want to take this forward. We also want to highlight that, the prizes were just there for prizes. They don't actually give an indication on anything other than the viewability and the acceptability of the demo. So we think that all 10 of you are all winners. So I'd like to leave you with that thought. And hopefully we'll have more solutions coming in from your organizations in the future. Yeah, I think that would be what I would want to say. If there's anyone else who would like to add from the judges, feel free to do so. Yeah.
Yeah. So from my end, yeah. So this is just a start of the journey, and I think few have collected credentials along the way, but it doesn't mean that the others are left alone. But as a team, we would definitely work together with all the 10 of you here and ensure that we move the needle and be able to help you progress in your content and application development, so that we get your application in the SAP store or as a qualified package, so that we are able to work together to bring success in the market. Right. So wish you all the best, and again, thanks for all your effort and participation in the last 7 to 10 days time. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Does anyone else want to say anything? Otherwise, we'll close the day, and look forward to talking to you all again at some point in the future.
Thank you to Ian for holding on to this late in the evening, and to many colleagues joining from ANZ as well from Japan. I think it's not the right time or earthly hours for us to sit together to do this, but thanks for your patience and for your understanding, and good luck and have a nice evening.
Yes, same to everybody on the call. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.